Pakistan is currently facing multiple issues, that is dangerously fragile currency, high risk premium in international financial markets, a high debt burden, and the recent shock of the devastating floods that adds to our sad story of economic downturn. For this purpose, the International Conference on Climate Resilient Pakistan, co-hosted by the Government of Pakistan and the United Nations, takes place on 9 January 2023 in Geneva. The conference has to bridge together government leaders from the public and private sectors and the civil society to support the people and the government of Pakistan after the devastating floods of 2022. Two motives behind that: to present the resilient recovery, rehabilitation, and reconstruction framework, which lays out a multi sectorial strategy for rehabilitation and reconstruction in a climate resilient and inclusive manner. Secondly, to secure international support and foreign long term partnership for building Pakistan's climate resilience and adaptation. For this purpose, Pakistan receives pledges of $8 billion in Geneva, $100 million from USA, $100 million from China, $10 million from France, $77 million from Japan, 84 million euro from Germany, 0.5 billion euro from European Union, $4.2 billion from Islamic Development Bank, $2 billion from World Bank, and $1 billion from Asian Development Bank.